So Pranamat has actually become part of my daily routine, and since Milani is in school and Grayson is sleeping, I'm about to Netflix and chill with this mat and get my massage on. This is the best thing ever because not only am I getting a massage, it's helping with the tension in the back of my neck and shoulders while just making me feel at ease, but I'm also able to get a lot of stuff done, like group chat and watch Netflix and not pay attention to my show because everyone never pays attention anymore. It's actually preferred if you're naked on this, which I would do, but obviously you're seeing me on camera, can't do that. But if this is one of your first time, I would recommend a loose t-shirt or something that is in the middle of you guys because this is no joke. I'm obsessed with Pranamat. I intend to use it for many, many years. I've been such an advocate for it. You guys see me in my story all the time with it. It's one of my favorite things and it's helped with my tension headaches so much.